Hello and welcome to How Mundane, the least interesting place on the internet. Today we've got another PSA reveal. A pretty big one, as you can see, because we got 3 boxes of stuff to check out. So let's see what all we got in box number 1. Nine Samurott from Crown Zenith. Gem Mint 9, Mewtwo from Pokemon Go. I should say these are all Pokemon, so if you're hoping for something that isn't Pokemon, you're hoping for a different video. Here's a Gothorita, got an 8. So far no 10s, which is not a good sign. Here's a 7 on a Silent Lab from Primal Clash. Here's a something Japanese. 9 on the Ghastly Reverse Foil. There we go. Here's a 10. Mewtwo V-Star from V-Star Universe. Gem Mint 10. Cleafable from Diamond and Pearl in a 6. Sparkling Crystal in an 8. Deluxe Bomb in a 9. Venusaur EX in a 9. There's a Venusaur EX in a 10. Terapagos EX in a 9. Turtonator in a 9. The illustration rare. Greninja, also a 9. Here we go, Lucario in a 10. Cinderace in a 9. Milcery in a 10. Charizard V-Star from V-Star Universe in a 10. That is a big ol' hit. Charizard V-Star, V-Star Universe, the English version, but a 9. And last one from this box. Cinderace in a 9. All right. Moving on to box number 2. Deoxys in a 9. Magmortar in a 9. Another Magmortar in a 9. Oh, there we go. The Art Rare Charmander in a 10. Japanese version. Mewtwo V-Star in a 10 from Crown Zenith. Glaceon V-Star in a 10 from Crown Zenith. The Black Star Pikachu Mimikyu promo card. I think I have a number of these in a row, so we'll see. This one's a 6. This one's an 8. Another 8. Another 8. 4. That one may be a crack and regrade. Another 8. 7. 5. No, you know what? That one did have some damage on the back. I should have looked at that more closely. Mag Cargo in a 5. That one is another one that's like, is this a crack and regrade? That is always the problem, more so, I think, with PSA than with anybody else, is you can get some wildly inconsistent grades. Sill Valley in a 6. Shuckle in a 9. Blastoise EX in a 10. Archlodon art rare or illustration rare in a 10. And another Pikachu Mimikyu in a 6. All right, last box. Zamzenta in an 8. Heracross in an 8. Grand Tree in a 9. Deoxys in a 10. Genesect in a 6. Oh, yeah, that edge is not great. Tyrant in a 6. Pikachu, Boundaries Crossed, 6. Sceptile, Primal Clash, also edges on the back. Psyduck from Fossil First Edition in an 8. Pyroar in a 7. Lapras, the full art from Crown Zenith, 9. Snorlax, Gem Mint 10. Love the art on that card. Galarian Moltres in a 9. Greninja Celebrations promo, 8. Ditto full art Crown Zenith, 9. Rayquaza Hollow, 9. The Gyarados Japanese version in a 9. Flemigo illustration rare in a 9. And another Pikachu Mimikyu promo in an 8. It's not our best return, but you know, a few of those maybe crack and regrade situations. I will have to sit down and look at them quite closely. We do have a whole nother batch coming back from PSA shortly. It's currently in encapsulation, so that'll be here soon. We've got some other stuff coming from BGS, and I think we've got another order still coming from Tag too. So check back with us for some more graded card reveals in the future. Thanks for being mundane with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.